Thorstein Veblen's Conspicuous Consumption, a look at luxury and society. Thorstein Veblen was a sociologist and economist who made some fascinating observations about society and human behavior, especially when it comes to how we spend our money. One of his most famous ideas is what he called conspicuous consumption. While the term might sound academic, the concept is actually very relatable and can be seen in everyday life. It is all about the ways people buy things not just to use them, but to show off their wealth and status. Veblen wrote about this in his groundbreaking book, The Theory of the Leisure Class, published in 1899. Let us explore this idea in simple terms and see how it still applies to the modern world. Imagine someone who buys a luxury car, not because they need to get from one place to another, but because they want to show everyone that they can afford something expensive. That is conspicuous consumption in action. It is not about utility or practicality. Instead, it is about signaling to others, "Look at me. I have money, and I can spend it however I want." According to Veblen, this kind of behavior is especially common among the wealthy, but it can also trickle down to people who are not rich, as they aspire to mimic the habits of those above them on the social ladder. The concept is rooted in the idea of social status. In every society, people tend to form hierarchies, and wealth often plays a significant role in determining where someone fits into these structures. By spending money on visible symbols of affluence, individuals can demonstrate their position in society or at least pretend to belong to a higher status group. For example, think about designer clothing, high-end watches, or luxury vacations. While these items may have practical purposes, their appeal often lies in their ability to communicate wealth and sophistication to others. Veblen coined the term conspicuous consumption to describe this kind of spending because it is meant to be noticed. The word conspicuous means something that stands out and draws attention. People engaging in conspicuous consumption want others to see and admire their possessions. This desire for recognition can be incredibly powerful, shaping everything from personal choices to entire industries. One interesting aspect of Veblen's theory